countries around the world have closed their doors on the UK following the discovery of a new coronavirus variant. The variant, known as B.1.1.7, appears to have spread rapidly through London and the southeast of England. Although it appears to be more contagious than other known variants of the virus, scientists don't think it's likely to cause more serious disease. But will it still respond to the three main vaccines? Thankfully, scientists think it's very likely the vaccines will work on this new variant. This is because the part of the virus targeted by the Pfizer-BioNtech, Moderna and Oxford Astrazeneca shots hasn't changed much. These vaccines work by inducing an immune response to the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. The new variant has 17 mutations within it, of which 8 affect the gene that codes for the spike protein, Dr. Olivia Szepietowski from COVID-19 testing company Medic Testing told me. But, relative to the size of the protein, the new variant still harbors few changes, Professor Martin Michaelis of the University of Kent's School of Biosciences said. Immune responses, he added, tend to target multiple sites of a protein. So these changes aren't expected to have a substantial impact on how well the vaccines work. But he cautioned, only time and more research will provide a definitive answer to this question. When proteins change substantially, there's a chance the immune system will stop recognizing them, reducing the protection offered by vaccines. But vaccine manufacturers can respond and adapt their shots to these kinds of changes. Flu shots, for example, are updated every year to provide protection against a combination of influenza strains. The shots from Pfizer-BioNtech and Moderna are messenger RNA vaccines, which may be easier to adapt to new variants in the future, DNA expert François Paillier from DNA mapping company CircaGene told me. The mRNA vaccines are only recipes given to the human body to help it produce the appropriate immune response, said. Modifying these vaccines, he added, is like editing the text of the recipe. It's normal for viruses to mutate, and this was expected for SARS-CoV-2, Dr. David Thompson from Medic Testing told me. Careful monitoring of variants internationally means we can be better prepared to tackle these variants and any issues they bring, whether that be transmission or disease severity. Professor Michaelis from the University of Kent said this new variant doesn't change much about the virus or our response to it, so long as it doesn't impact vaccine protection. But, it is rather a strong and timely reminder to up our game and to be more careful, he said. His thoughts were echoed by François Paillier from CircaGene, who added, as each country starts to roll out their vaccination program, we must do our bit to reduce the virus population, replication and potential mutations.